Like our previous videos, we are going to discuss some problems in this video. First one, according to the following chemical equation, how many grams of O2 are needed to react with 7.5 grams of ammonia? Molar masses: hydrogen 1, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16. This is the chemical equation. Ammonia plus O2 we get NO2 plus H2O. But this chemical equation is not balanced. We have to balance it. For ammonia plus 7O2 we get 4NO2 plus 6H2O. You can see on the left hand side 4 times 3 12 hydrogens. On the right hand side 6 times 2 12 hydrogens. On the left hand side 4 nitrogens. On the right hand side 4 nitrogens. On the left hand side 7 times 2 14 oxygens, and on the right hand side 4 times 2 8 oxygen and 6 oxygens here. Then on the right hand side also 14 oxygens. Now we can find the ratio. We can see 4 moles of ammonia react with 7 moles of O2. Ratio: 4 moles of ammonia react with 7 moles of O2. Here we have been given 7.5 grams of ammonia. First of all, we need to convert this 7.5 grams of ammonia to moles of ammonia. We can do that by dividing this 7.5 grams of ammonia by molar mass of ammonia. .5 grams of ammonia divided by molar mass of ammonia 17 gram per mole. Then we get 0.441 moles of ammonia. This 0.441 moles of ammonia means 7.5 grams of ammonia. This is the ratio. 4 moles of ammonia react with 7 moles of O2. 4 moles of ammonia react with 7 moles of O2. Now we have 0.441 moles of ammonia. Now we need to find, to react with 0.441 moles of ammonia, how many moles of oxygen are needed. We can find it in this way. 7 moles of O2 divided by 4 moles of ammonia multiplied by 0.441 moles of ammonia. This way we can cancel out mole ammonia. Mole ammonia, then we get 0.771 moles of O2. To react with 7.5 grams of ammonia, 0.771 moles of O2 are needed. But we have been asked how many grams of O2 are needed. We have found moles of O2. Now we have to convert that moles of O2 to grams of O2. We know mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Mass equals number of moles times molar mass. Number of moles we have found it 0.771 moles of O2 times molar mass of O2, 2 oxygens Here 32 gram per mole. We can cancel out mole. Our answer is 24.672 grams of O2. To react with 7.5 grams of ammonia, 24.672 grams of O2 are needed. If we want, we can write the calculation in a straight line in this way. Here I have written everything in a straight line. You can study this method slowly, then you can realize this method also. If you can understand this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.